In this video, I'm going to show you how to make really good egg fertilizer for your garden in 2 simple steps. Bake it and crush it. Whenever you're cooking eggs, just save the eggshells and put them into a baking dish. Then you take your eggs and you just put them in the oven. Whenever you're breaking something, just throw them in there with it. Making some banana bread today, so we'll let those eggs cook. And bake at a minimum of 200 degrees for 20 minutes. This will kill the salmonella and it dries them out for easy crushing. Nice and cooked. Then we're going to put them in a bag to crush them up. I've used this same Ziploc bag for basically a year and it's still going strong. And then just get yourself a big glass jar and store the eggshells in it. Every time you crush them up, pour them in there. When it gets full, pour it on your garden. And then you just pour it on the dirt. So you can see where I've already put eggshells here earlier in the year. This thing at one point was covered in eggshells, but now a lot of them have gone down into the soil. So now we're gonna do the same again. Just kind of shake them. And you just cover all your soil with it.